Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ. What's common between those, the drivetrain, the hybrid engine that they use. It's exactly the same in all these three vehicles, guys. If you need to locate where the water pump is located, how to replace the water pump, we'll explain that in this video today. So make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain one common mistake people make that can destroy your engine, by the way. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So now, let's go ahead and explain where that water pump is located. If you look, guys, okay, right here, open the hood, that will be the same engine used in all these three vehicles. You kind of like look right here and you think that's a water pump. That's practically just a housing. That's not a water pump. You will need to come under your vehicle and you need to remove the lower engine cover, also known as splash shield. If you want to see how to do it, we have the video on the channel step by step that will teach you how to do that. Number 2, if you remove the water pump, make sure the car is completely cold, okay, and drain the cooling system completely when you're removing it. Always wear eye protection gloves, and coolant is really poisonous. Number 3, guys, this is where your water pump is located. That's right here, the engine, oil pan, oil filter, right next to it. That's where the water pump is located, and that's the big wires for it. The water pump is super easy to replace, but when you replace it, guys, you have a few bolts to remove, disconnect the wire, the hoses, and it will come down. It's very important when you replace it later and you add coolant not to just start driving your vehicle. On these modern cars, you need to bleed the cooling system the correct way to get the air out of the cooling system. Otherwise, you may get air trapped in the system, which can cause overheating. Okay, from there, blown head gasket, multiple things can go bad, and you may destroy your engine in just a few minutes. So always bleed the cooling system on your Ford hybrid vehicle once you guys, okay, add coolant. Don't just start driving, guys. Follow the procedure for bleeding the cooling system. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing to see where it's located in case you need to replace it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.